Good morning. Let's make today's lunchbox. Let's make a simple coconut pulao. Heat oil, add in whole spices, add in onion and cook till translucent. Add in green chili, ginger garlic paste, coconut milk. I'm using 1 cup coconut milk, half cup water. Add in salt and soaked 1 cup basmati rice. Bring everything to a boil, cover and cook for 2 whistles. That's it. Your coconut milk pulao is done. Fluff it with a fork and let it cool. I made a simple toasted paneer. This is fresh homemade paneer. I have already shared the recipe. Check my story. Cut it into cubes. Season with any spices you like. I'm using amchur powder, salt, chili flakes and cumin powder. Cook the paneer in some ghee or oil till it is nice and golden. That's it. Your toasted paneer is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. For snacks it is sweet banana chips. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox and snacks box today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.